Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn on the alarm on Realme C67 device. Alarm can also serve as reminders for important tasks or appointments throughout the day, whether it is a meeting, a medication reminder, or a specific time to start or stop an activity. Alarm help keep people on track and organized. And then, here are the steps to turn on the alarm on this device. First of all, please open clock application on your device. And then here you can select the alarm option. After that, click add option here. Okay, and then you can set the time you want. After that, click OK. And then you can also set the alarm working day you want. Okay, after that, here you can select the dates to post your alarm as you wish. Next, you can also set the alarm ringtone even from Spotify and YouTube. And then you can also activate the alarm vibration here. And then now your alarm is successfully active. That's the tutorial on how to turn on alarm on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel.